Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. Today topic is Python comments, and here the we'll see single line comment and multi-line comment. And single line comment will be addressing with a hash, and multi-line comment we are addressing with like the even a hash also we can use in the multi-line comment like the hash line 1 and line 2 and line 3. Okay, and using the triple quote, triple single quote and triple quotes also we can address that. And let us see how we are going to do this in our examples. Okay, and what is the usage of the comment? It can be used to explain the Python code, and it can be help us to code the Python more readable manner, and debugging will be more faster. Whenever we'll be doing the Python coding and we'll be executing the code, and in order to debug the code now, so if there is some comment like okay, this code is going business logic, and it is doing the adding operation and multiplying operation, divided by operation, comment is there means the debugging become very easy for us. This is where the commenting is going to help us. And let us see and single line comment in detail. Okay, and what I have done here is a variable can be created comment using the hash I have done, and variable a is equal to 10. 10 I have assigned to the a, and I am printing that variable. This is also comment, the printing the value, and the print a I am doing, and output I am expecting is a 10. So even though I have written this like the variable has been created and printing the value I have created, but it is not going to display in the our output. Only I'll get as the 10 because I am doing the comment just for our understanding purpose, code readable purpose. The Python code is more readable, even though newbie person can understand the code. That is the reason we are going to I'm going to demonstrate the other example. Okay, the example I am going to take is we can add the single line comment along with the Python code also here. Now, along with how we have added here, now here the Python code is the name is equal to in the single quote Urbi Academy. The name is a string here. I have added this, and I am printing this print name I am doing, and printing the string value. It is me. Even though I have written this, this will not be displayed. The output is going to display as Urbi Academy only. Okay, I will show you the once I will come to the practical way. And we have done with the single line comment, and let us see the multi-line comment. And we can achieve the multi-line comment using the hash or triple quotes, might be the single or the double quotes. Okay, we'll see the example now. Okay, example one, the command line one, comment line one, comment line two, comment line three. I have used the hash here, and what I am printing is print L2 production support I have done, and output I am expecting is only L2 production support, not these three lines. Three lines will be ignored even though it is multiple line. That is the beauty of this. Okay, and let us see the example 2. In the example 2, I have taken the b is equal to 10, c is equal to 20, and d is equal to b plus c. I am adding here, but I have commented the first line, second line, third line using the hash. This is called a multi-line comment using the hash. I will show you that also single how we can do the commenting of the using the single line and double line, all those things. I am going to show you that also. Okay, and this also I have commented, and print adding the numbers. It is only going to display the adding number. It is not going to display all the 4 line at the starting. Okay, let us see the example 3 here, and I have used the single quotes, 3 single quotes, and comment line 1, comment line 2, comment line 3. So here also end also we have to give so, and print product L2 production support only, it is going to display it here. Okay, and similarly I have used the triple double quotes I have used, and I have executed this code, and I have got the L2 production support. Okay, now implementation part, and how we'll see the implementation, whether it is going to giving the desired output or not. We are going to see that. Okay, let us execute. See here, this is the comment, right? And a is equal to 10, and this is also comment. We are expecting the value as 10. Okay, 10 it is coming. So suppose if I am giving this, now it is going to throw errors here, the invalid syntax. It is the invalid syntax, the printing the value, nothing, invalid syntax. Okay, so I am commenting here. Okay, it is the comment. Whenever someone is comment, see the my code, na, they will say, okay, variable has been created, that is the printing the value, what we are using the printing the value. Like this we are doing in the, it is very helpful in the debugging the code as well as the reading the code. Okay, let us go ahead and see the second example. Okay, along with the code only, I am writing the comment here. See here, expected is Urbi Academy. This and all commented line, it is not going to show here Urbi Academy, it has printed. Okay, let us go and see the multi-line comment. Okay, expected is Urbi Academy. Let us see it is going to come out or not. Okay, see here, comment line 1 and comment line 2, it is not going to display. If you remove this, it is going to syntaxical error, it is going to give. Okay, elder production expected when it is there. Okay, and let us see, and example 2 here. Example 2, see here, they adding the numbers. See these and all commented line is not going to display. So if I comment this comment, if I try to execute, see here, the name D is not defined. The name D is not defined. If I define D, if I use, it will show the B is not defined. Okay, like this it is going to say that. Okay, if I uncomment all, it is going to display the desired output and only int. Okay, this is going to, again we need to convert that. Okay, so we are not going to do the, we are not going to demonstrate those things, just we are working on the comment section here. Okay, and okay, so we are working on the comment. Okay, using the single quote, how we can execute, let us see whether we are getting the desired result or not. Okay, let us execute the code. We are getting it right, the elder production support, these and all it has been commented. Okay, and the final example here is using the triple double quote. I have used the triple double quote, right? Okay, and apart from this, here also we can use it here, like if you remove this, here also you can use the triple double quotes also. Let me show you this. Okay, see here, it has also work, right? Instead of writing the hash in the every line, we can use to save our timing. These are the example we have. As a overview, we have today we have learned the Python comment, and we are using the single line comment and the double line comment. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe and share my videos to the others, so that it is going to help you and the others also. Thank you.